Friends, this year I was not talking to you in the evenings. You know what struck them? Today they asked us. It was something like a Srinagapatna Sangama. The Swara Pravaha, Shruti and the Tala. We have to talk about the songs in the verse. There was a medical camp going on. It was specializing in eye camp. Particularly for the eyes in the villages, because they eat greens and all, they don't get bad eyes. Their eyes are very sharp. The old man was walking with the dark glasses. Nowadays there are conversationalists who canvass for the patients. They take them to the doctor in the camps. A particular person, volunteer, caught this person and took him to the eye camp. The doctor was very happy to carry an old man. He asked him to sit, and he was very tired, so he gave him some water. Then the doctor put the lenses and asked him to see. When we looked at the black glasses and they told that I'm not seeing. You remove the glasses and see. The doctor was busy noticing the notice board, that board, the doctor's test board. Because he was bending like this near the lens, near that machine. He removed the glasses and went on seeing. And the doctor asked, what do you see? What do you see? No, I am not seeing. Then once again he asked, are you blind? Because you are wearing black glasses. What? You are wearing an yellow shirt. Over that you are wearing a white shirt because you are a doctor. I am seeing everything. What about those? There are numbers, there are small letters, big letters. It's very easy. If you can see me, it's very simple. You can see there also. Please, you can read. You go ahead. He told, I can't read. You should have high power. I have to test and further find out which glass I should substitute. Then we went on, they put the lenses, the glass lenses for testing. Went on adding 3.5, 4, like that. Till last, this person maintained that I can't read. The doctor got upset and told that, who caught you here? You can't read. What are you trying? Referred to ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಇದೆಯಾ ಎ ಇದೆಯಾ ಬಿ ಇದೆಯಾ I am illiterate, I can't see what are 2 or A, B, C because I am not literate. Then doctor understood. This is what everyone is. They have not learned even alphabets in this world. Neither they know 1, they don't know 9, they the road they take, they want to see till the end. And they are attracted by the attentions outside and they want to imitate. And they want living their lives as not God wills, as they will. Akshara is Brahman. So, and this Akshara itself cannot be read. How will we read Akshara, which is everywhere? Because the child is named, it imagines to be a name and it carries the name till the end. This name business, what is it? And they go on taking astrology, taking this, which Rashi they were born, they want to live their life. And the name itself is false. What is life? When they don't believe in power of God, no God or not even the Ras can help. They speak. They were not born by themselves. They were not just dropped from heaven. They were not born out of Amrita or earth like Sita or Ram Lakshmana. Such people are mortals. One tourists. Someday they should think about this travel. So we had conducted all this time Kim Bhajaniyam. Kima Bhajaniyam, everyone knows. I sing, I hear, she sings, he sings. In Kim Bhajaniyam, what we sings, no one tries to even think about it. Not our musicians. I'm trying to talk about whoever sings. Not music, anything. Whenever I talk, who talks in me? What in me gets this sound? We have to think. Let it be a normal thing. We know that money rotates and the money buys these things. All these things we know. But what in me thinks? What in me thinks? Kim Pataniyam, Kim Bhoktavyam, Kim Bhoktavyam. All these things. Who? What? Till such a time we are only just like a bee carried in its own sound without getting the honey. We are lost in the world. The bee gets ullasa, mother, or its purpose is served only when it brings the amrita, honey. Such like that, a man is incomplete till he does not get the amrita. For avatars, they are not losing their body. For great jnanis, they have also gone, rajas have gone. This is not a sensible argument. Amartasya Putra does not mean that you live for 2 lakhs years. It doesn't mean it. Food, suppose you take 4-5 hours, you are full. If this can fill you, what about Amrita? Small bindu drop of it is enough. You are no more there, you are in the masta God. So I was trying to tell you that this music is not like others I can talk, but I can talk as I feel. I don't know anything about music, but what I feel. Yesterday someone was singing about Saptaswaras. Just like Saptarishi Mandal, Saptaswaras exist forever. It's not today or yesterday. Ordinary bee can have Ahankara Mamatara. A bee with a thirst for honey becomes Mukshu. A bee which has drunk honey gets fulfilled. These 3 are the stages in man. Just like that, man has to get this Amrita. There is no other go but to touch this for us. Where will you avoid all this? You can't catch space like that, sky like that. You can't catch. It has spread to your fingers, it has spread to your body. So you can't say that this is space, this is sky. That is the Swarasa. Vedas say Sendriya, Sakshara, Paramaswarat, is Akshara. But man, when it comes down, when Rishabha comes down, you have to become Rishabha, free. So a man coming down from the noiseless state of silence, when he enters into the state of sound, before that he has to know that Shiva and him in his Hridaya Samadhi. That is real. Greek. Then comes Gar. These are all Sriya, Shadjam, Rishabham, Gandharam, and all those things. But this Gandhara is Gaja. Gaja Sarma. So the widest knowledge is nothing before this Gaja. The same man who has taken a form, he has to become a Vahana for God. Then when he exhibits knowledge, it should be full, like Shiva's knowledge. Then comes the interlude, Madhyam. Because after he gets that awareness, he has to execute. At the same time, he should not forget God. So this Sura called the Ma is compared to Mayura. When the sky is ready, it senses the rains of days. So the Mayura gratefully dances. And you hold your Panchabhutas or you do anything, Panchabhuta, it shall play with you all. So you know the purpose, you play your role and vanish into that. That's all the purpose of life is. When I was listening, now we know that what is a committed music. What is Matanya Mandra? That the comparison is as the maturity of any fruit, for example, as it becomes a fruit, complete fruit, it falls. Just like that, ego cannot be classified, it should be ripened. Because we can't just throw it out. Because you need, even Avatar has to say, I am Krishna, I am Rama. Because this ego, then we will all argue. If he says he is Krishna, what is wrong in time saying so? Isn't it? So, for him and we, there is a lot of difference. He doesn't have, but he uses it as our hand. We use our hand, he uses his saying, I, Purna. So the mantra Mrityunjaya says that you can't, the physical self cannot be overcome, but drop your ego, that's all it says. The Trayambaka represents Jatra, Swapna, Sushupti. In this, you still have ego. Because next day you say that I have slept. So, this, let it get ripened by the music. You can always hear it. And this music is in Laya. This is what Srikandaji showed today. The sun was, the support was perfect. And all the accompaniments, there is no word to say because many times we feel that it's all essential because Anandi is necessary to tighten the dance of Shiva. Why one cannot sing without Papa? Yes, it's all arguments. But when Shiva has to dance, Nandi has to play something. Someone has to play a veena, someone has to play a flute, someone rhythm instrument called the violin nowadays play. So all these things are necessary to tighten the musical dance. Dance inside, like my a great song for Sudamara. Nataraja's dancers who are all present there, what instruments they play, it's all there. That is indirectly, mystically shows that all these have to be perfectly aligning together so that the dance of Shiva leads you to Amrita. Play with Lord. Then only you can play with the Lord. If you play with any other thing, you are caught in Dvaita. If you don't understand Dvaita, I can call it Dvandva. And this Dvandva results in Dvandva Yuddha with the everyday activities. 24 hours, no one is peaceful. Drop all this in music. Sangeeta, Samrajya. Devi, just close with singing. Take her as your mother and we always come to us. This is nice. Thank Srikandaji and team. मङ्गलं दिशतु मे विनायको
मङ्गलं दिशतु मे विनायको
मङ्गलं दिशतु मे सरस्वती
मङ्गलं दिशतु मे सरस्वती
मङ्गलं दिशतु मे महेश्वरी
मङ्गलं दिशतु मे महेश्वरी
मङ्गलं दिशतु मे सदाशिवः
मङ्गलं दिशतु मे सदाशिवः
मङ्गलं भगवान् विष्णोः
मङ्गलं भगवान् विष्णोः
मङ्गलं गरुडध्वजः
मङ्गलं गरुडध्वजः
मङ्गलं पुण्डरीकाक्षो
मङ्गलं पुण्डरीकाक्षो
मङ्गलायतनो हरिः
मङ्गलायतनो हरिः
The Sanskrit word is Mangala. In South we call it Mangala, Shubha Mangala. Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnoh
मङ्गलं भगवान् विष्णोः
Mangalam Garuda Dvajah
मङ्गलं गरुडध्वजः
Mangalam Pundarikaksho
मङ्गलं पुण्डरीकाक्षो
Mangalayatano Hari
मङ्गलायतनो हरिः
Netranam Tritayam Shivam Pashupateः
नेत्राणां हृदयं शिवं पशुपतेः
Yogatrayam Pavanam
योगत्रयं पावनं
Yattadvishnupadattrayam Tribhuvanam
यत्तद्विष्णुपदत्रयं त्रिभुवनं
Shaktitrayam Samvidah
शक्तित्रयं संविदः
Prasthanatritayam Paraksharamaya
प्रस्थानत्रयं पराक्षरमयं